In the heart of Sao Paulo, a striking black concrete house stands as a testament to the innovative collaboration between Chilean architects Marcelo Puga and Rodrigo Searle. From afar, its bold, dark facade sharply contrasts with the vibrant greenery of the Brazilian landscape, creating a visual dialogue that both surprises and delights. The project, a home for a young Chilean-Brazilian family, was an opportunity for the architects to revisit their roots in residential design, a field they had moved away from in recent years. The couple's clear vision and extensive Pinterest folder of ideas helped shape a residence that is as much a reflection of their desires as it is a manifestation of the architect's expertise. The house was conceived as a journey through a series of interconnected courtyards, each serving as a distinct moment of transition and reflection. The entrance courtyard, with its serene reflecting pool, sets the tone for the entire experience. Originally intended to house fish, the pool was ultimately simplified into a mirror-like surface that amplifies the sense of calm as one steps into the home. As you move further, the second courtyard, known as the bird courtyard, becomes the heart of the public spaces. This square, open-air space links the entrance hall, living room, and kitchen, creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor environments. The upper level is dedicated to the private areas of the home, including the bedrooms and a family living room. Here, the central courtyard opens to the sky, allowing natural light to flood the interiors and nurturing a lush garden designed by renowned landscaper Alex Hanazaki. His expertise, honed through collaborations with acclaimed architect Marcio Kogan, is evident in the harmonious blend of flora that enhances the tranquil atmosphere. The circulation on this floor continues to revolve around the courtyard, reinforcing the connection to nature and the outside world even within the most intimate spaces of the home. The architects chose black textured concrete as the primary material for the house, a bold decision that required the trust and confidence of their clients. The deep, shadowy tones of the concrete create a backdrop that allows the surrounding vegetation to shine, while also imparting a sense of calm and comfort. To balance the darkness of the concrete, European oak was introduced as a contrasting element. The light, almost white wood, brings a youthful energy to the space, brightening the interiors and adding a touch of warmth to the modern design. The success of the project is evident not only in the physical construction, but also in the ongoing relationship between the architects and the homeowners. Even after the house was completed, Marcela and Rodrigo continued to advise the couple on selecting furniture and art, ensuring that every detail aligned with the original vision. This level of trust and collaboration speaks volumes about the satisfaction of the clients, who now have a home that perfectly encapsulates their aspirations and lifestyle. Today, the house stands as a unique blend of Chilean architectural sensibility and Brazilian natural beauty, a space where modern design meets the organic vibrancy of its surroundings. It is more than just a home, it is a living, breathing testament to the power of collaboration and the art of creating spaces that resonate with both the inhabitants and the landscape. For Marcela Puga and Rodrigo Searle, this project marked a return to their passion for residential design, and it has left an indelible mark on their careers, as well as on the young family that now calls this remarkable house their home.